Benidorm is as busy as never before, especially today during this Sunday's market. Absolutely packed to the top. Sunday's market, as busy as you've never seen it. Totally empty. Favorite bar terraces. Lovely doggios. Welcome back to the channel Benidorm by Anna. All this and much more is what you will see in today's video. We started right on to the Ibiza street, which goes straight towards this Sundays and Wednesdays market. It is Sunday today, the sun is shining, but it's really lovely and comfy outside. There's no 40 degrees, no heat wave, probably it's around 30, which is incredibly tolerable weather. Let me tell you guys, we are happy with this summer that we have right now. We are heading to see what's going on by the Sunday's market. There's been so many people here yesterday during the live stream that we did here on the channel. If you were not there, check it out because it was literally the busiest day we've ever had this year, 2025 so far. It was so busy, we have to stop whenever we walked and lower our speed because we couldn't pass as that many people there were on Benidorm streets. The Ibiza street here is full of popular businesses. Here is where our favorite bubble tea shop is also located. I think it's called Angelina. It's on the right side here next to the Hotel Pueblo. Incredible place to get some of the best bubble tea in Benidorm, trust me. Hotel Pueblo here is working full speed. All the terraces are busy. We see plenty of colorful towels there. Families, friends, groups, everyone are coming here to enjoy and have a nice time. And right next to the Hotel Pueblo, we have obviously the Sunday's market. As you can see and you can tell, it is packed up. Taxis are coming and going non-stop. There's plenty of vehicles and you can see that every single piece that could be busy is busy with cars parked around it. Even in the areas where you cannot technically park, there's cars everywhere. There's so many national tourists here too. It is absolutely unbelievable. Sunday's markets are a great place to visit the area, try out typical Spanish foods, grab some magnets, some gifts maybe from Spain, shoes made in Spain too. If you want some swimwear, swimsuits, if you want your hair braided, that's also the place to actually do that. As you can see, quite a bit of people are coming here to do the braids. Lottery tickets, you could also purchase these, but look at the amount of people. Some nice swimwear.
¿Vamos a salir o no? Buenos días, Benidorm.
Some nice sellers here as usual. Obviously, people are really kind and overall really friendly whenever we show you guys all the prices. One for 15 euros, two for 25. Honestly, if you purchased it separately in different shops and shopping malls, you would pay more than 15 euros for a bikini. So this is a bargain, let me tell you guys. There's different types of underwear here, something if you need anything, different things for sports. There's even for babies, personalized gifts. There is a lot of typical things for the kids like toys, more hair braids here. There's fans that spray water on you, the hand fans too, which cost like €1, €1.50. But wow, you cannot literally pass through the area. And the thing that I've spotted, at least in this place, do you see how it is all open? You see it's all open, right? There is no like shade. It's not covered as it usually is, and that is because whenever they cover it, people literally pass out because there's no wind whatsoever, there's no air flowing, and it's really bad for them and for those who are visiting. So now they decided they're not going to cover it. At least this street here on the market, it is not covered, which is better because you have some air flowing around you. Different types of offers here for the shoes. 10 euros for shoes, that's not bad at all. And they can also customize the holes in the shoe. If it's not enough, if you need one extra hole or it's not in the place that you need, they can make specifically for your feet the hole where it has to be able to close down the lock the shoe comfortably on you. Different types of accessories here. There's some stainless steel. There's also silver here. Not as much of gold, I think, but still you can get some nice deals. Leather around us of different kind, bags or belts, like money bags, like the small ones. Plenty of things. Leather bracelets as well you can find out here. Slippers that a lot of people use, especially to go to the beach. Plenty of things you can find here. Typical summer clothes, obviously, as well. Nice socks, €5, which are a couple of pairs of socks inside. Then you have t-shirts, you have bags, different souvenirs for the kids as well, magnets, plenty of things. There are so many bargains here today. It is insane. That is why it is so busy. There's bargain on a bargain here. In every single spot where we go, we can see discounts, really good and affordable pricing, honestly, which is very surprising. In this area, they do cover it up with the shade, as you can see, so there's slightly less air on this street. But still, it's all right. Today, it's not as hot, and there's still some spaces here for the winds to pass. Sport shoes here, €25. These are actually very good quality. Every time we purchase something on the market, it is of a good quality. It's not bad. It's not like a Chinese bazaar. So honestly, really good. T-shirts and sportswear. Look at this. Oh, these are nice outfits. We've gotten ourselves some sports outfits from here too. Really work really well, both for the kids and for adults. So yes, we do purchase even locals. We do purchase things here out of the market. Some silver accessories here. Silver jewelry. Plus, we have favorite sports teams t-shirts here for really good pricing. And bags and handmade jewelry of natural stones. This is also something very typical. And these are not the only things. You can try out typical fruit that is local and regional ones. Way sweeter the ones that are imported to home country, because those are not ready yet to be eaten. Then we have different olives. We have chocolate with churros. We have freshly pressed orange juice here on the market, and many more deals. Incredible place, really recommended for tourists to see. This is like a touristic attraction by now. People go here to explore and maybe to grab some nice things. Look at this. T-shirts and many things, both for men, women, kids. Plenty of things about and around you can choose. And also for those who live here or have a second holiday home, you can grab some nice things to decorate your household. A lot of the clothes here are actually with natural materials, which also make it way better and makes the summer slightly more tolerable. Especially now when the temperatures are not as high. Hopefully they will not be anymore. Shoes made in Spain here, €29 for a pair of shoes. Right nearby, we have hand fans, $150 for a fan. Magnets, one for $150 for magnets for €5. Bags, shopping bags, packed up absolutely with people here today. So many people about and around, but I do feel like today is a better day to go, even though it's already past 11 in the morning, but it's one of the best times to be here. It's not as hot, there is no heat wave, so people can actually plenty enjoy plenty of time here on the market and don't go out because they cannot literally breathe on the inside. So a lot of people will enjoy the market day to day, hopefully and probably. Right in front, right here, we have plenty of cafeterias that are literally working to the max. This is Victor, one of the famous cafeterias here. They serve really good breakfasts. Mostly people come here for some drinks and some light breakfast, some coffee, or basically waiting for someone who's shopping at the market. All these streets around the market are really busy with hundreds of people enjoying Sunday in Benidorm town. Just look at how busy it is here today. It's not been like this in a really long time. And what about the nearby bars? Let's head towards the British Street. Here we have some nice bars. This is the Penny Farthing. This is a typical British pub. They have all day breakfast, big, small ones. They have a lot of drinks, a lot of snacks, a lot of offers, and it is packed up with people. We've not tried it personally, at least not for the video. The Duke of Wellington with and Ray's Chippy, we tried this one. We tried the fish and chips here. We tried a typical breakfast. Really nice place, which is why it is also incredibly busy, as you can see. They also offer takeaway, some sandwiches, some drinks. The service is really good overall, so we were really happy. La Dulce Vida, the sweet life. This is, I think this is like Netherlands or a Belgium place. Not too sure, but there's a lot of people here from the Netherlands and Belgium. And this place is closed for holidays now. It's not the only one here next to the British Street and Sunday's Market. This place here usually is really open. It's packed up with people. But now they are on well-deserved holidays. In front, we have supermarkets and plenty of other places that are open. However, the Black Pearl right now is closed on holidays up until mid-August, I suppose. Yeah. Up until mid-August, they will be closed for well-deserved holidays. Country Ribs, as usual, closed so far because it is morning time, but it will be opening up on midday. And this is a place we really wants to try out and show it to you guys. Uncle Pets, as usual, quite busy. This place is one of the busiest probably we'll see here in general overall. This is the place where plenty of people just love to sit down and grab some nice drinks.
Oh, hi. Hi, how are you? Oh, hello. How cute. Hello.
Even fluffiest best friends are enjoying on a lovely, cool terrace here in Benidorm, together with their owners who are our subscribers. Hello, if you're watching this video. Everyone, I know a lot of you guys actually are bringing your pets, your fluffy best friends with you here to enjoy holidays as much as you are. Say hi if you'll see us about and around. Don't be afraid, we don't bite. We actually love to say hi to our subscribers. Nearby, we have the Flash Hotel, which literally not a single person on its terrace. Not a single person. There's no one. The music is on and it is quite loud, but there's not a single person here on the terrace, which is strange. Technically and usually there's quite a lot of people out here from early morning, but I guess that today is different because, well, people split. Either the beach or packed bags from the Sunday's Market. People today are in those two places mostly, and on any other day there would be way more people here on the outside. Don't get me wrong, you can see the streets are packed up with people. The thing is that it's just not in the nearby bars because people are using this time to explore the Sunday's Market, go to the beach and fully enjoy it. Ooh, €1 magnets here. This is quite cheap, honestly. €1 magnets, not a bad price at all. On the other side here, we have different shops, souvenir shops, gift ones. Mariano's, which is a takeaway and fast food place from roast chicken, which honestly is not the best one any longer. English breakfast, bocadillos, which are actually quite nice. Then we have Piccadilly British pub, which, oh my goodness, it is empty. Oh, look at that. Told you, it is empty. It's absolutely empty. The Silver Dollar is slightly busier. Only the terrace is busy. On the inside, there is no one. But here on the terrace, there's quite a bit of people enjoying a lovely day. But this is what happens here on Sundays. Sunday's Market and the Levante Beach and Poniente Beach take all the time of locals and tourists. And people just are not inside of the bars, which these will be packed up by the evening time, most probably.
As you could have seen, it's absolutely packed on the streets. The bars are totally empty, with an exception of Uncle Pets a little bit, but all the rest, there's literally no people on the inside. And that is because the Sunday's Market is packed. People are in two places right now only in the whole entire Benidorm town. It's either Sunday's market or it's the beach. Obviously it's really hot, so people are only in these two places now. And the bars sadly have to wait slightly longer until the market finishes before people flood there for a nice and cold drink. Thank you for accompanying us today. We wish you a lovely day and we'll see you here on the channel with a brand new video tomorrow. And this afternoon, don't miss the brand new breakfast place we are exploring. We were not expecting anything, but we were really pleasantly surprised. Check it out this evening. Bye-bye.